Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CapTech Pro. In this video, we will learn how to open Windows Firewall ports using group policy in Windows Server 2019. For today's demonstration, we are using two virtual machines. One is our domain controller and second is our Windows 10 client computer. In domain controller, we'll create one security group and later we'll create a group policy for Windows Firewall ports and link with that security group. So guys, without any delay, let's go to our domain controller and let's start our today's demonstration. Okay friends, so now we are on our domain controller. We will open Server Manager, click on Start, and now we'll click on Server Manager. On Server Manager dashboard, first of all, we'll create few users and then we'll create our security group. So we'll click on Tools and now we'll open Active Directory Users and Computer. Okay friends, so this is our Active Directory Users and Computer wizard. Now we'll click on captechpro.local and as you can see, these are multiple OUs. So I have already created one OU with the name of policy test, and inside policy OU I have created two users with the name of Jack and Paul. Now we will create a security group and we will enter these both users inside that group. So for creating security group, we'll right click on policy test and now we'll click on new and now we'll click on group. So now we'll give the name to our security group, which will be firewall policy. A group scope is global and the group type is security. Now we'll click on OK and now our security group has been successfully created. Now we will right click on our security group and we'll click on properties. We'll click on members and as you can see right now no user is member of this security group. So we have to add Jack and Paul to this security group. We'll click on add. We'll enter the name Jack and we'll click on check names. Okay. So now we'll give the space and now we'll type the name Paul. And click on check names and now we'll click on OK. Now both the users are selected. We'll click on apply and now we'll click on OK. So friends, we have successfully created security group and the users, and also we have added those users to the security group. So now we'll click on close. And now we are good to go for creating group policy for our Windows Firewall ports. So for creating group policy, we'll click on Tools and we will open Group Policy Management. On Group Policy Management, we'll click on Domains and now we'll expand our domain name, which is captechpro.local, and now we'll click on Group Policy Objects. We'll right click over here and we'll click on New, and now we'll give the name to our newly created GPO, which will be Windows Firewall ports, and we'll click on OK. So our now GPO is created. We'll right click on it and we'll click on Edit, which will open our Group Policy Management Editor. We'll expand this. On Group Policy Management Editor, we'll click on Policies and now we will expand Administrative Templates. Now we'll expand Network and now we'll click on Network Connections. We'll expand Windows Defender Firewall. We'll select Domain Profile. Now friends, we will select our Windows Defender Firewall Define Inbound Port Exceptions. So we'll select this and now we'll click on Policy Setting. First of all, let me maximize it, and first we have to enable this policy and now we have to define the port exceptions. So for that we'll click on Show. You can read about this rule over here. It will help you a lot. So for defining the port exceptions, you have to enter values based on the syntax. First of all, you have to enter the port number, then you have to enter the transport, whether it is a UDP or TCP. Then you have to specify the scope, whether there is a specific computer or a specific subnet. So you have to define that. Then you have to specify the status if you want this rule to be enabled or disabled. After that, you have to enter the name of this rule. You can assign any name to this rule. So let's enter the syntax. First of all, we will enter the port and the port number is 5045 semicolon. Then the transport type is TCP colon, and now we have to enter the scope, and in scope we will enter our subnet, which is 192.168.0 and it's of 24-bit. Then we will enter the status. We want it in enable state, so we'll enter enabled semicolon, and now we'll enter the name of this rule. So we'll give it a name, port rules. So we have entered the value based on the syntax. If you have any confusion regarding the syntax, you can read it over here. And now we'll click on OK, and we'll click on apply, and we'll click on OK. Okay friends, so as you can see, our role is now in the state of enabled. Now we'll close this group policy management editor console. Now we'll click on our organization unit, which is policy test. We'll right click over here and we'll click on link an existing GPU. We'll select our GPU, which is Windows Firewall ports, and we'll click on OK. So we have linked the group policy with our OU. Now we'll go to our Windows 10 client computer and we will log in with the user credentials, which are part of our security group policy test. Okay friends, so now we are back on our Windows 10 client computer, and we will not log in with the credentials of domain administrator. We will log in with the credentials of Jack, who is a part of our security group. So now we'll enter the credentials of Jack, and now we'll press enter. Okay friends, so we have logged in with the credentials of Jack. Let me show you. So you can see username is Jack. So guys, before we proceed, let's update our group policy. So we'll type cmd, we'll open command prompt, and now we'll enter the command gpupdate /force. Guys, we are updating group policy manually because automatically it will take 3 to 4 hours. So we'll press enter. So as you can see, it's updating our policy. Our computer policy has updated. So friends, our both the policies are updated now. Okay friend, now let's open our Windows Firewall and let's check in inbound rules if we have the rule which we have created to open ports or not. So for opening firewall, we will open run and we will enter firewall.cpl. Press enter. As you can see, we have received a message: for security, some settings are managed by your system administrator. Now we'll open advanced setting, and it will open Windows Defender Firewall and Advanced Security. And now we'll click on inbound rules, and as you can see, the rule which we have created is listed on the top. Let me show you the properties. In general, the name is port rules. Let's click on protocols and ports, and in protocol and ports, you can see the protocol type is TCP, protocol number is 6, and the local port is 5045, which we have defined in that rule. So guys, we can say that we have successfully opened Windows Firewall ports using group policy.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen, and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.